Hello, my dear children. How are you all? This is your Gauri teacher from Toddledom School. Children, today is our English session, and today I will teach you how to write OD and OX family words in cursive. So first, we will read this word. OD, odd words. The first word is COD, cod. COD, cod. The next word is NOD, nod. NOD, nod. Next word is POD, pod. POD, pod. And the last word is ROD, rod. ROD, rod. COD, cod. NOD, nod. POD, pod. ROD, rod. OX, ox words. OX, ox. OX, ox. Next word is BOX, box. BOX, box. Next word is FOX, fox. FOX, fox. OX, ox. BOX, box. FOX, fox.
So open your red and blue line book and start writing. In the first line we have to write small cursive O, join and write D. OD, odd. Now in the next line we will write small cursive C, join and write O, join and write D. COD, cod. COD, cod. Now come to the next line and write small cursive N, join and write O, join and write D. NOD, nod. NOD, nod. Now move to the next line and write small cursive P, join and write O, join and write D. POD, pod. POD, pod. Now the next word is small cursive R, join and write O, join and write D. ROD, rod. ROD, rod. Now leave 2 finger space. Now we will draw rod here. Draw a slanting line. One more slanting line. Now we will draw a small circle connecting both the lines. one small circle and one more small circle down. Now in the next line, write cursive small o, join and write x, ox, ox. Now we will write ox, ox words. Come to the next line and write cursive small b, join and write o, join and write x, b, o, x, box. Now we will draw a box over here. For that, leave 2 finger space and draw one standing line. Leave some space and draw one more standing line. Now we have to draw 2 sleeping lines connected to both standing lines. Now draw one sleeping line in between the box. And now we will make a small handle. Now come to the next line and write cursive small f, join and write o, join and write x, f-o-x, fox, f-o-x, fox.
So children, today we learned OD odd and OX ox family words. I hope you enjoyed this video. So that's all for today. We will meet you again with a new learning session. Till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.